And here I will show you how to find FTP account username and password in cPanel. Log into your cPanel and scroll down. And here search for FTP accounts. So here you can see my FTP accounts, or you can use the search tools box to find out FTP accounts. Open it. Under FTP accounts page, here scroll down, and here we can see my FTP accounts list. Now to see a specific FTP account username and password, click on this configure FTP client next to the account. And here we can see the specific FTP account username, this one. And this is the server for the FTP account. And here we can see the FTP and explicit FTP port. Here, click on change password next to the FTP account. And all you have to need, create a strong password and retype the password for confirm. And click on change password, and after that your FTP account password will be changed. Now you can use this new password for your account. Thanks for watching.